Struggling to manage your team's spending and access on your Revolut Business account? You're not alone. As your business grows, giving the right people the right financial tools and permissions becomes essential for efficiency and for your sanity. Having to handle every single expense or transfer yourself just isn't scalable. That's where adding team members on Revolut Business comes in. It's the key to delegating tasks like expense management, issuing cards, and handling basic transfers, all while keeping you in full control. I'm here to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of inviting new team members and assigning them the perfect role. Let's get you set up. Here's how you add a new team member. First, log into your Revolut Business web portal or open the mobile app. On the left-hand navigation menu, look for Team and click on it. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your account. Next, you'll see the option to invite a new team member. Click this. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to add. You can invite multiple people at once by clicking Add Another. Once you've entered the email addresses, hit Continue. This is the most important step, assigning a role. Revolut Business offers a few preset roles, like admin, accountant, viewer, and member, each with different levels of access. For example, an admin has almost full access, ideal for a co-owner or finance director. A member is more restricted, perfect for an employee who only needs to manage their own card and expenses. If none of the standard roles fit, you can even create a custom role with specific permissions. Select the role that matches their job, and you will instantly see a summary of what they can and cannot do. After you assign the role, you'll have the option to assign a card and set up spend controls right away. It's smart to do this now to maintain good financial habits from the start. You can choose to order a physical card or issue an instant virtual card. If you're not ready to issue a card, just select No Card. Finally, click Continue to send the invitation. Your team member will immediately receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and set up their access. Once they accept, they'll be officially added to your team and can start working within the permissions you set. And remember, you can always go back to the team section to adjust a team member's role, change their permissions, or suspend their access whenever you need to. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.